Do you think you are a style fashionista? Well, that's what I am, and our friend Kazia is as well. So if you are a style fashionista, you find fashion super easy, and you can pretty much shop anywhere and find amazing pieces. You can go to the Goodwill, you can go to Nordstrom, you can go to Walmart, you can get a style box. No matter where you go, you are able to find pieces that work for you. And so I want to show you though how we built her up from what you saw in the overview. All right, so let's start with your hair accessory. You didn't have that on earlier, and we added that. So if you like hair accessories, you can wear them, but be very careful and make sure they are of good taste. I don't want the little scrunchies in your hair and the little, the little barrette things. Those are not for you. Those are for little girls. And so just know that if you're going to wear a hair accessory, know how to wear it. And so Kazia really knows how to wear it. And she, as a style fashionista, it can be bold. And so if you're a style fashionista, yours can be bold as well. All right, so with Kazia, what we're going to do is we are going to build from the bottom up because she has fabulous shoes. And so Kazia, as I'm looking at the shoes here, I'm going to actually pick this pair of shoes because this would only be in a style fashionista's wardrobe. A creative original may have this in her wardrobe as well, but the difference between a style fashionista and a creative original is that a creative original is going to find the fabulous layering pieces first and then probably do a more subtle shoe. Even though it's a trendy shoe, it might not be decorative because her layering piece is going to be decorative, as you saw if you watched the creative original. So I'm going to have you go ahead and put these on. And as you'll notice, she's got basic pieces on. So we're building, we're layering. And so she has her basic jeans. And that's another thing I want to say. Style fashionistas can shop anywhere. She could go into Goodwill and find them and be fabulous. And so just know that there are no particular stores that you need to shop in as a style fashionista because you've already got that kind of idea and you're very stylish and fashionable as it is. And so just be free with that and embrace that ability that you have. And so you found these fabulous shoes. Let's go a little sideways with the shoe just so they can sort of see what they look like. Wonderful. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to layer an accessory on you. All right. And so this accessory is a scarf. And so I'm going to just go ahead and put this right here. I'm going to let you fix it up as I talk to the woman who's watching this. And so as she's putting this layering piece on, this layering piece is actually a scarf. You may have a layering piece that is actually a jacket. And so what you want to do is consider that a bigger scarf can be a layering piece. And this looks absolutely fabulous. And let's go ahead though and drop this and make it a little longer because she's a B body shape. And so with this style fashionista, I want the scarf to drape more towards the middle just to have a little more flavor and a little more bringing the eye inward. Okay. That's amazing. If it were winter time or the weather was a little chillier, all you would need to do is add a solid color jacket or cardigan or blazer, and you are good to go with that. But let's add some accessories. So we've got the shoes, we've got this scarf. Now we're going to pick this big piece of cuff bracelet that was found right here in her own jewelry box. And now I'm going to take a necklace, and I don't think you need a necklace with that. All right, so let's not take the necklace yet. I'm going to save this for the next layering piece. Let's put a big ring on you. All right, so go ahead and do that. And let's find some earrings. So go ahead and put those in. Because she's wearing the hair accessory, she doesn't want to go crazy with big super earrings. I highly recommend that you have a pair of big hoop earrings in either gold or silver or both, if you can wear both, that go with all of your jewelry pieces. So if you're just going to wear a scarf, then you can wear simple earrings. She even has little diamonds kind of attached to that. You know, they're decorative. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to have you take that layering piece off, and I'm going to give you another layering piece, which actually is a scarf. So look at this big piece of fabric here. We're just going to drape this over you. Keeping in mind, haven't changed her basic pieces at all. But she can put that on and it completely changes her look. Look out there, and I am going to put this, let's kind of loosen that up just a little. Look out at the woman who's watching this. Do you relate to Kazia? When you look at her, are you thinking, I want her clothes? Oh wait, I have her clothes? You know what I mean? Because you probably have these kinds of things in your wardrobe. All right, lift, let's see, can I do this here? Yep, I think I gotcha. All righty, so straighten that up. Let's make it be a little bit, they're all little dangly things on here, aren't they? Okay, okie-dokie, let's do that right there. How amazing is that? It goes with the earrings. All we changed was the layering piece and the necklace. You've got basic pieces, right? So go shopping and find those fabulous layering pieces, a statement necklace, and you are good to go. Don't forget though, the big bracelet, the cuff bracelet, or a big ring, because that completely changes the look as well. Now, let's say as a style fashionista, you just want to wear jeans and a really awesome top. You can do that. But what I'm showing you are those basics that really just work together. Now, here's the thing. Let's go ahead and remove your shoes. Let's put a different shoe with that. I'm going to take this shoe right here and have you, this color picks up the shade in her scarf, the layering piece, and you're going to see what changing out the shoe does for her. Now remember, if you are only going to have one pair of shoes, you want it to match your hair. Just like my shoe down here matches my hair, I want yours to do that as well. If you are really going to go buy one good pair of shoes or boots, make sure it matches your hair. Now, look at your friend there, do a little turnabout. Let's show those style fashionistas out there how fabulous they can be. And how does this feel on you? How do you feel?
Free and adventurous and fun.
Fabulous. Yes. Yay.
Fabulous.
Yeah, free and adventurous, fun, all of those things. So style fashionistas, be free. Do what makes you feel amazing, and really just buy those pieces and put things together that maybe are out of the box, that you would never have thought about before. And let me just say something here. If you're a style fashionista, you're probably already out of the box. But if there's somebody out there who's watching this who looks at her and think, I really could dress like that, I just haven't given myself permission to, now's the time. Be true to who you are.